Horizontal band sealer machine, 2 kilograms. Connect the plug to the designated power socket. Use the emergency switch to stop the machine immediately if needed. Turn on the machine and set the temperature as required. Efficiently seals medium weight pouches up to 2 kilograms, perfect for food products, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and retail items. Temperature and conveyor speed can be adjusted as per material thickness and sealing requirements. Adjust the conveyor speed using the rotary knob. Take a pouch filled with material. Place the pouch between the heating jaws. Repeat the same process with another pouch. The machine will automatically pull the pouch forward while applying consistent heat and pressure for sealing. Now, both pouches are securely sealed.